Let me share with you the simple modification I made to this little Harbor Freight welding table to improve it, and how I have it set up. The table model number is 61369. It's 30 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 32.5 inches from floor to top deck. You can pick this welding table up from Harbor Freight for about 65 bucks. I'm sure you can get it less with a coupon or sale. For 65 bucks, I got to admit, it's not too bad. My biggest complaint right from the get-go was that flimsy top table. You can tilt the table forward or back by that adjusting handle you see there. You cannot fold this stand up, although it is pretty small and does not take up much space. It's great for shops that are very limited on space. So as you can see here, I added this steel plate to the top deck. It's a piece of 5/16 inch plate that I had left over from another project I did. It's 1.5 inches wider than the width of this table, which is perfect because now I can clamp the ground right here. And I have another clamping surface if I have to use a clamp right here. That small improvement made a world of difference. I got a nice flat rigid surface. The stand can handle the weight with no problem. I can weld to this if I have to, and all I did was just tacked it on in a few places in case I want to remove it. Let me reposition the camera and take you up underneath and show you how I have it all set up. Here you can see where I tacked it on up underneath here, and my little overhang, which works out perfect for clamping and ground clamp like I said earlier. The stand has this support bar, which I have all my cant twists, Harbor Freight clamps, and I even got a strong hand clamp here. On this front edge here, I keep all my magnetic squares. On this side, I keep some corner magnets here, my magnetic ground, and I have 2 mag tabs. I got a jumbo and a regular. And at just an arm's reach away, my Fireball tool squares. By far the best welding squares I have ever used. The table also includes 2 adjustable fences. One for either side and one for the front or back. Even with the 5/16 inch plate, I still have a good 1/4 inch or better fence if I ever need it. Another upgrade I was considering was drilling this plate out with 5/8 inch holes on 2 inch centers so I could use the Bill Pro fixturing, clamps, and stops. To be honest, I would really like a bigger, better table. So I'm on the fence with this one. I know it would be a nice upgrade, so we'll have to see about that in the future. In closing, this is really not a bad little table for the money, especially if you have a small shop or tight spaces and you like the portability of this small table. It'd be perfect for you. But if you like rigidity and a big layup table, this is not the one for you. For me, it served its purpose. I got my little projects done, but I gotta be honest, I've outgrown it. I need a bigger, more rigid table, something where I could use fixturing. But in the meantime, for now, this is it. It's still better than welding on the floor. So until next time, see ya.